Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you a very delicious cake recipe. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So, to start, I'll get a bowl and come in with about 200 grams of butter. I'll just put it in the microwave to soften it up a little bit. I don't need to melt it completely. Next, I'll come in with some vanilla essence, a pinch of salt to taste, about 2 to 3 tablespoonfuls of sugar, 5 egg yolks. With the help of my spoon, I'll give it a good mix. Next, I'll come in with about 3 tablespoonfuls of full cream yogurt. I'll come in with my hand mixer and whip it up for about 30 seconds. Next, I'll sift in my cake flour. Here I'm using about 200 grams in total. After mixing everything, I'll come in with about 15 grams of baking powder. Now it's time to whip my egg whites. I'll come in with some sugar. I'm using about 100 grams. I'll whip it up till it turns fluffy. And I'm using 5 egg whites. I'll just add the egg white to the cake mixture. I'll do it a little bit at a time. To everything, I'll just transfer it into my baking pan. I have greased it with some butter and I have dusted it with some flour. I'll sprinkle some few chocolate pieces on top. I'll bake this in a preheated oven of about 150 degrees Celsius. I'll bake this for about 30 minutes. It's been after about 30 minutes, and this is what we have here. It is ready, so I'll just get it out of the pan. So it's time to cut a piece. As you can see, it's super soft. Like, guys, this is so delicious. You definitely need to give this a try. I hope I did help you. And if you do give it a try, let me know how it comes out for you. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.